Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make a very trending and effective weight loss drink. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mug like this, just add 1 strand of lemongrass. Lemongrass prevents the growth of bacteria and yeast. It relieves pain and swelling, reduces fever, improves sugar levels and cholesterol in the blood. Then add half teaspoon of fenugreek. Fenugreek reduces the risk of diabetics, improves weight loss, reduces inflammation, reduces the risk of heart disease and blood pressure and relieves pain. Then add 2 cloves. Cloves also increase metabolism, manage blood sugar levels and helps to reduce inflammation. Then add 1 cup of hot water. The essence and benefits of the ingredients are getting extracted to the water. Cover and rest for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, open and check the ingredients are well soaked. Strain and add it to the same mug. Finally, add a tablespoon of lemon juice. Just half the lemon is more than sufficient. Lemon on the other hand boosts metabolism and thus helps in weight loss. Lemon also helps in reducing the calorie intake. Let this rest for 2 minutes. Then strain and add it to a mug. Now a healthy fat melted drink is ready to consume. You can drink this in empty stomach in the morning for best results. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. So do try this effective weight loss drink at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.